Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to give you a nice video here. Welcome to Equipment Remarketing. We're going to give you a video here of a 2014 Moffett M55 sitting here showing 1,402 hours. Now this thing has a backrest and a 10-foot mast. You have yourself here brick and block forks, but we'll go ahead and if you want for free, we'll switch them out for standard pallet forks. So you can either have either or you can pay extra and have both. Now this thing's been repainted and refurbished. When we repaint these, we remove the canopy here, your roll cage, the seat, the hood, the back door, the battery cover, the diamond plating, many of these gray covers you see, they're removed. Everything's painted separately, so we get a good coat of paint in between everything, and then we put it back together. You have yourself a long-lasting finish. Now, on the refurbishment process, you look for things such as pins, bushings, chains, mast bearings, rollers, anything of that matter that goes bad and worn. We look to see if it's out of spec. If it is, we go ahead and replace it. We also pressure and leak test the system. That way, if we find any leaking hoses, cylinders, or wheel motors, that's taken care of. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we'll give you what we call an operational guarantee because we're so confident of this refurbishment process. We know you're going to be happy. You can watch this video and know you're backed up. If there's something wrong, we're going to go ahead and help you get it fixed. You also get all new decals on this. Your oil's been changed, your filter's been changed, it's ready to hit the ground running. You also have brand new tires all the way around. Now this Kubota engine is backed up for 30 days. So your operational guarantee is for just when you get it, then it's over. But we'll go ahead and back this engine up for another 30 days. Now we're gonna go ahead and give you a little bit of operational just to show you how nice she runs. Now we're gonna fire her up. It's pretty cold in here, but it should come right to life. You have yourself a Kubota engine. Very reliable V2203 engine. We're gonna let the glow plugs heat up and then we're gonna fire her right up. There she comes to life. Here's your mast going up and down. Tilt, side shift, outriggers. There's your mast gears going in and out. We make sure all your lights are working. As you can see, it's running nice and smooth. All your systems are in sync and turning correctly. Your steering system's nice and tight. Backup alarm. Now we're gonna go ahead. You can give us a call at 260-238-4998, 260-238-4998. You can also check us out on the web, 99lifts.com, 99lifts.com. Thanks for watching this video.